Hey guys, this is C Plus Hacker, and I want to introduce you guys to this little series that I'm creating about the basics of Windows. I'm going to create a lot of really short videos about very specific features so that you can watch them quickly if you're trying to learn a lot. And if you just want to learn one specific feature, then you can just go find the video for that. But I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to have topics on the desktop, taskbar, start menu, using folders, files, all sorts of things, pretty much everything that you're going to want to know to be um, a great Windows user. So whether you're coming from a Mac or Linux, or you don't have a lot of computer experience, this series of videos is for you guys. So